The 10 most dangerous driving days of the year. The riskiest days of the year to drive. Most drivers and passengers are aware that there is some risk involved with being on the road, regardless of where they are, what day of the week it is, or what time of day it is. They might not take the time to consider that some days of the year are riskier than others for driving. Research and data identify several days of the year when driving is riskier than other days. Several of these days are holidays, as you might anticipate, but others of them could surprise you. The top 10 most dangerous days to drive. Number 1. The 4th of July/Independence Day. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, July 4th was the deadliest day on recent years' roads. The main causes of motor vehicle collisions during this summer break are traffic congestion brought on by long-distance passengers, holiday celebrations, and alcohol consumption. In addition, according to FS data, July 4th is the second deadliest day for drunk drivers, with at least one driver testing over the limit in 42% of collisions. Number 2. Memorial Day weekend. Summer officially begins on Memorial Day weekend every year. The pools are open, some children are or will soon be out of school, and the climate is getting warmer. Yet tragically, there are numerous accidents that result in injuries and deaths because there are too many cars on the road and people driving while intoxicated. Each Memorial Day, according to the National Safety Council, NSC, 450 people are thought to pass away on American roadways. 41% of highway fatalities throughout this renowned holiday weekend are attributed to alcohol usage. Number 3. Daylight saving time. One research, Spring Forward at Your Own Risk, Daylight Saving Time and Fatal Automobile Accidents, found that during the first week of daylight saving time, there were 302 traffic-related fatalities, with a social cost of $275 million. What's more surprising is that the Fatality Analysis Reporting System discovered a 17% increase in traffic fatalities on Mondays after daylight savings time. Not only that, but driving while sleep-deprived can still result in accidents, injuries, and fatalities after the switch to daylight saving time. Number 4. NFL game days. Everyone naturally wants to see their favorite team or the team from where they live win. Did you realize that if they lose, it might affect your mood and how you drive? A study by the Highway Loss Data Institute, HLDI, found that supporting a losing team may raise your risk of being involved in a car accident. According to the study, increased odds can range from 8.2% to an astonishing 80%. It's interesting to note that the likelihood of an accident only increases by 3.2% if the home team wins. Aggressive driving increases accident claims to 9.4% if the home team loses. The New Orleans Saints Stadium, 35.3%, and the Detroit Lions experience the greatest impact from collisions, 28.5%. With a 22% increase, the Pittsburgh Steelers moved up to third place. Number 5. Friday the 13th. There might be more to the unlucky Friday the 13th than just superstition. Recent data reveals that compared to other days in the same month, collision claims rose by around 13% on Friday the 13th. No matter what time of year Friday the 13th fell, the numbers increased. For instance, a British study discovered that, even after accounting for other variations, the chance of hospital admission as a result of a car collision may rise by as much as 52%. Number 6. New Year's Day. Many families are stepping into sorrow as the new year begins, when people should be celebrating fresh starts and putting the past behind them. Sadly, New Year's Day consistently ranks among the top 5 deadliest days on the roads, not New Year's Eve. Nobody should be surprised that alcohol and occasionally narcotics play a big part in these accidents. According to data from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, January 1st was the day of the year with the highest number of alcohol-related fatalities. Number 7. St. Patrick's Day. On St. Patrick's Day, having a designated driver considered a lucky charm. This particular holiday is one of the most popular occasions to indulge in alcoholic beverages, making it one of the riskiest days of the year to drive in America. A recent St. Patrick's Day weekend saw 36% of fatal collisions involve drunk drivers. Over the course of 5 years, around 300 people died in accidents involving intoxicated drivers. The riskiest time to be on the roads is after midnight. On St. Patrick's Day, make a designated driver your lucky charm or think about staying in. Number 8. Thanksgiving. The start of the winter holiday season coincides with this holiday, which is also one of the busiest travel periods of the year. Due to the fact that Thanksgiving is always on a Thursday, Wednesday is the busiest day for holiday travel. Due to dwindling daylight and everyone getting on the road after Thanksgiving meal, the worst times to travel are between 6 and 7 p.m. on Thanksgiving Day. The morning before Thanksgiving, when many people are starting to leave the bar after beginning to celebrate the long holiday weekend, is also very dangerous. Between 2 and 3 a.m. that Wednesday night into Thursday morning is frequently referred to as America's biggest bar night or even America's biggest bar night. Number 9. Black Friday. Possibly the biggest shopping day of the year is Black Friday. 60 to 70 million or more people are trying to get in line at their local malls for all the finest discounts, despite the fact that most of it has shifted to internet commerce in recent years. Record-breaking accidents occur in parking lots due to the sheer number of vehicles on the roadways and in commercial parking lots, together with holiday and shopping stress. In fact, Progressive Insurance found that claims resulting from Black Friday accidents doubled, while claims from parking lots increased by 36%. Number 10. Christmas. Finding the trendy toy for a youngster, choosing the ideal present for your mother-in-law, or resolving family disputes may all add stress to the holiday season. According to HLDI data, collision claims rose by roughly 20% in December. Moreover, there were 27% more accidents on the 6 days immediately preceding Christmas than on New Year's Eve. Holiday stress on a regular basis coupled with congested roads might lead to aggressive driving. For instance, a State Farm poll revealed that 32% of drivers were more likely to display aggressive behavior or road rage during the winter holidays.